how to add on highlight on Instagram without having to post on story. Now technically it's not possible to add on uh, highlights without having to post on stories, but you'll know what I mean by the title. So before moving on to the video, if you are new to our channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's add on highlights. First, open your Instagram and then go to your privacy settings. First, go to your profile, then click on the three horizontal lines on the top right. After you do so, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see your account's privacy. I'm sorry, that's not it. You'll be able to just hide your story right there. Go to the who can see your content section, click on that, and then just tap on hide your story and click on all your followers. Select all your followers, then tap done. After you've done that, just go to your add your story, click a video or click a photo that you want to add. Just do whatever you want and just add to your story. After you add to your story, none of your friends will be able to see the story since you have hidden it from them, so it's like basically not having to post the story. And after you've posted the story, you can just tap on highlights, just type whatever you want to name the highlight and just see it on your profile right there. It's just that easy. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you found this video very helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.